Welcome back.
So yeah, welcome back. So today we're going to make popsicles. With summer coming up, I mean, what's the perfect treat for a kid to eat when it's hot outside? A popsicle, obviously. So our daughter absolutely loves these popsicles, so we're just gonna go ahead and share the recipe with you today. So before we get started though, here's a little joke for you. What do you call a dad that fell on the ice? A popsicle, get it? All right, terrible. All right, without further ado, let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
Alright, so to start, what we're going to do is we're going to chop up a few strawberries. These are just going to be decorated pieces around the edges of the popsicles themselves just to make them look real nice. Then we're going to chop up a little bit of the banana, same way. Then what we're going to do is we are going to chop the strawberries and bananas into little pieces. That way it just makes it easier to blend up in the food processor. So once we have that, we are going to take 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 cup of chopped strawberries, and 1 banana. And we're just going to food process this up. The reason that we're using a food processor is just so that we get a little bit more of a chunky mixture, just adding a little bit of texture to the popsicles themselves. If you wanted to use a blender, more power to you. So once you get that all chopped up, what we're going to do is we're going to take our fruit slices and we're just going to slide these into the popsicle forms themselves and make sure that they stick to the edges. That way when we pour in the liquid, they stay on the outside. Once we get all these guys filled up, what we're going to do is we're just going to put on the caps. So make sure to leave a little gap at the top just in case it expands when it freezes, because you know liquid expands when it freezes. Odds are if you're using the same forms as us, you're going to have a lot of leftover mixture as well, which is excellent because what we can do is we can just throw this into the fridge. As we eat these popsicles, what we can do is take them out and then refill them with the mixture that we already have and refreeze them. What we're going to do is we're going to pop these into the freezer for at least 4 hours, if not overnight. That way they're nice and frozen. Alright, so there we have our popsicles. Without further ado, let's get tasting.
There we go. Ready?
Right. And as you can see, the banana and the strawberry came out on the outside. Make it look nice. Alright, ready, y'all? Hey, ding.
Cheers. Ding.
That is good. Nice and refreshing, cold. Bananas and strawberries really work together. You can use this with any type of fruit that you want, or any type of fruit you have on hand. We just happen to have bananas and strawberries on hand. It's absolutely delicious. What do you think, Cole?
Good.
It is really good. Nice and refreshing, simple, classic. Maybe not bite right into it like I did and get a little bit of a brain freeze, but it's good.
All right, well, and there you have it. So without further ado, if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you can see more of this down the road. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Goodbye.